Tingnan mo. Naka-Asia view.
Wow.
Ano? Dalawin? Bang.
Hindi lang niya ba? Ilang
Wag na. Pag nagbilang ka, lalo ka mapapagod. Yung pera mi.
Today, we are going to share you our Macau trip and other Hong Kong adventures.
Day 3.
Today we're going to Macau!
Wow.
From Panda Hotel, we take an 8-minute walk towards Tai Wo Hao MTR station. From this station, we will take the train going to Central Station, Hong Kong Station Interchange. Upon arrival to Central Station, take a walk towards the train stop going to Kennedy Town. It is quite a long walk, so be ready and wear your comfortable shoes. After one station from Central, you will go down to Shu Wan. Look for exit D, and you will find the signage HK Macau Ferry Terminal. And upon reaching the ferry terminal, you will see a lift going to 3rd floor for the ferry tickets. You get this free one-way ferry ticket from trip.com.
Wow.
Just search Free Macau, you can book up to 6 persons.
Wow.
Promo runs until December 31st, 2024 only. Select for the time of departure, and once your booking has been confirmed, save the QR code. They will just scan the QR, and they will give you ferry tickets.
Wow.
Don't forget to bring your passport, since you will need it for immigration.
May approved ka na naman. Ay, may visa.
At exactly 8:30 a.m., passengers are expected to go inside the boat.
Wow.
Anong papakita? Anong papakita ka alin? Ay, smile.
You will get a pre-assigned seats, so you don't need to rush to get your seat.
Wow.
The whole cabin is air-conditioned and fully equipped. Feels like you're on an airplane.
Wow.
So ngayon mga bears, nakasakay na kami ngayon dito sa may Hotay Water Jet.
Wow.
And so we're bound to Macau. So kung kayo ay nasa Hong Kong, sa Jay nyo ng Macau kasi libre naman yung 1 week. So pabalik, bahala na kayo. Kung gusto nyo, ayan, lamgin nyo yan. See you in Macau!
The whole ferry ride will take about an hour from Hong Kong.
Wow.
Ay, lokal!
Wow.
Tour mo kami. Ito na naman tayo, mukha na naman tayong ligaw dito. Tulungan mo kami.
No.
Look how we trust.
Meanwhile.
Makalabas na namin ng immigration.
Wow.
Approve ulit. Approve. So ngayon maliligaw na po kami. Charing.
Hindi na tayo umuwi.
Uwi na tayo.
Tama na to.
Tama na.
Mamimili pa ako sapatos.
Wow.
Umuwi na tayo.
Pinatatakan lang talaga namin.
Eh, walang tatak. Oo. Ginawang ticket lang sa bus.
There are free buses from the ferry station going to Macau's tourist attractions.
Wow.
You can take Venetian, Parisian, and Londoner bus. Once you know where to go, take the bus, and it will take you to your preferred destinations. Free bus ride will take 10 to 15 minutes ride to your destination.
Wow.
If you want to go to the famous picture-taking spots, malls, and casinos, I suggest take the bus going to the Venetian or Londoner.
Nandito na po kami ngayon sa London.
Wow.
At literal po na, naligaw kami.
Flashback.
So ngayon maliligaw na po kami. Naligaw kami for today's video.
Balang lakad.
Totoo. Naligaw kami. Nandito kami ngayon, currently sa London.
Wow.
Yan.
Lang pala, dumayo pa dito.
Totoo. Like sa inyo, doon na lang tayo sa Manila maglakad-lakad eh.
This is the Londoner. The facade was inspired on the great London parks and gardens, and were especially inspired by those at the royal residence of Kensington Palace.
Wow.
Just nearby the Londoner Hotel is the Parisian, which has the replica of the famous Eiffel Tower.
Wow.
Inspired by the city of Paris, the Parisian Macau seeks to capture the artistic splendor and grandeur of the French palaces.
Wow.
This is the Venetian Macau,
Wow.
the largest casino in the world, the largest single-structure hotel in Asia, and the 10th largest building in the world by floor area.
Wow.
Now, we're going to the ruins of St. Paul.
Wow.
We take a bus ride from Londoner. Just ride bus number to 6A and go down to the Almeida Ribeiro station. On these streets along the way to the church are plenty of shops that gave free samples of their products.
Wow.
By sheer coincidence.
Anyways, after all the struggles, we are now here at the ruins of St. Paul.
Sa wakas, papunta din sa ruins.
Wow!
After na yung maligaw ng 1.5 hours.
Dahil nilibot kami.
One eternity later.
We are now going back to Hong Kong.
Balik na kami sa Hong Kong. Na-stressful. Stress lang kami sa Macau.
We ride a bus going back to Hong Kong for 65 Hong Kong dollars. Bus ride from Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge Golden Bus Station in Macau to HZMB Hong Kong Port will take 30 minutes to 1 hour ride.
Wow!
Now we have arrived at the Hong Kong port. We will go now to immigration for screening. Then, we will go to Mongkok for some shopping.
Nabudol na ng GU.
We will try the famous Mr. Softy ice cream that is believed to be a warm ice cream.
Tikman natin dali.
Ano lasa?
Hindi mo mainit eh. Ang sarap.
Sarap, parang ano?
Parang yung normal na Mr. Softy. Tara na nga, budol.
Fake news.
We are here at the Fa Yuan, also known as Sneaker Street, to find some good stuff. One whole street for shoe lovers. We also go to the Tung Choi Street, also known as Lady Market, to get some Pasalubong goodies.
So nakabamili kami dito sa may Mongkok and i-haul na lang namin siya pagbalik namin sa hotel. Ngayon dito kami ngayon sa Jollibee. Bida ang mga bida-bida.
Kapag tamalan kang mayaman,
Wow!
Bakit?
sabi, mukhang yayaman eh.
Wow!
Ay, sino sabi?
Sabi ni Ostrich sa labas.
Bakit sinasabi? Ika.
Ate girl sa labas.
Chismosa si ate guys.
Sabi ko, di ka nagkakalit.
So in order ko is yung chicken with a curry and then ito po yung ano po niya, yung chicken nila, medyo malaki.
Wow.
Pati nga, kamay mo yan. Oo nga, kamay mo yan, parang ito nagkakamay. Kamay mo yan. May kanin, totoo.
Wow.
Kalahati ng mukha. Ayan.
After eating at Jollibee, we now head back to hotel to rest. We have bathtub in our hotel, and it's a perfect time to relax. Here are few of our purchases in Mongkok.
Wow!
Bebby got to shoes from Nike with 20 to 70% off discount. Got some Old Town coffee and Starbucks Hong Kong tumbler.
Wow!
And the Filipino iconic Pasalubong, Ref Magnets.
Wow!
The next day.
So hi Beshi, so ito na isa sa pinaka-awaited
Wow.
moment namin here in Hong Kong. Pupunta na kami sa pinaka-happiest place on earth. Yes! Ang Disneyland. Ito talaga yung pinaka-pag-heal ng aking buong childhood. So let's go. Gora na tayo sa Disneyland.
From our hotel, we will again ride the MTR train going to Laking Interchange. You will go down to Sunny Bay Station and transfer to other side going to the Disneyland Resort line.
Ay, nangmulangot ang Mima. Ang cute niya. Elsa. Gaga.
It would be nice you will get the chance to take photos inside the train. Since during our time, the train is crowded, and I just had a selfie in one of the Mickey window.
Wow!
Hoy, I'm back to Disneyland. Hong Kong Disneyland. Mima ko.
Grabe dito sa Paris.
Totoo.
Wow!
Paris. Tayong bali, nakapasok na kami sa loob ng park. Charis, hindi pa pala. Yan, may pa-fountain na nagsusurfing si Mickey Mouse.
Wow.
Ayan o. Cutie patuti.
Wow!
Let's go to early pass entry.
Ito na ang linya ng mga burgis.
Wow.
Early pass, beach.
We avail the early entry pass in order for us to get a picture-perfect spot in front of the castle and also take a ride to the world of Frozen.
Go, go!
Ayaw kasi!
Wow!
Pag mag-wish ka, good sa star.
Meanwhile.
Ay, ang init, B. Masang-basa na ako ng pawis, B. Paano ginawa kong t-shirt, B? T-shirt, B! T-shirt!
Dad, masaya!
Ayaw niya.
Uy, asan da? Oh.
Ano ng t-shirt?
Saan bibili?
Sorry. Ang aga-aga. Pero yung pawis ko parang ano na, alas 5 na. Pero chika lang. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa World of Frozen.
The World of Frozen is one of the newest attractions of Hong Kong
Wow.
Disneyland.
Elsa Droga.
The whole Arendelle is here.
Ay, ang tuwa naman ng bata. Tuwa na naman ng bata. Papasok na kami. Eh. Anong hinanakit mo na naman?
For the pulmonya.
Ay, tubig sa baga. Aray ko, aray. Aray. Naipit ako ni. Hi.
Halbat Animal! Ay, ang ganda, Mi!
Ay, ang galing. Ang ganda.
Akin to!
Ay, isa punutan pa.
Wow.
Ay.
Wow.
consistent with an unselfish act of true love.
Ay. Ito na siya, Mi.
Wow.
Ayan na siya. Ano, kamusta buhay pa kayo? Woo! Bati na sila!
Wow.
Reaction video, kamusta?
Naiwan ko retainer ko doon.
Eh, Mima Sor, ano ginagawa mo, Mima Sor?
Wow.
Ayun o, eh. Second ride ng Sabawi.
Wow.
Sliding. Yes. Slay. Yes. Ay! Pasok kami second ride.
Wow.
Still at the World of Frozen.
Still at the World of Frozen, this is Sliding Slice.
Wow.
By this time, the queue was a bit longer now since the regular pass visitors are now inside. I just can't wait for this ride.
Wow.
Meanwhile,
Hi!
Wow.
Hey!
Wow.
Pasok ko na lang sa paa ko. Baka lumipat.
A few inches later.
Wow.
Wala pa, be. Ano na? Ayun na.
Pila na lang daw ulit. Ang daya isang beses lang. Nabitin ako.
Pangatlong ride ng mga Mima Sor.
Wow.
Pa kami sa may It's a Small World.
Wow.
Paano yung sigaw? Ano?
This is It's a Small World, just a chill ride.
Wow.
Perfect for your phasing moment after fast rides.
Ang haba lagi ng queuing line. Tita, ibo ka muna bago ka makapunta sa ride. Pwede ba tumalon na lang dito? Tatalon tayo dito.
This is one of the cutest and chillest ride we've ever seen.
Wow.
This ride featured different cultures, festivities, and versions of the song. It's a small world in the native languages of the world.
Wow.
This ride features the famous cities and towns of the 7 continents of the world.
Wow.
And Philippines has a version of it.
Ayun na! Uy, Philippines! Philippines!
Wow.
Philippines! Philippines! Ano oh? Go! You, just So, papasok kami ngayon dito sa may Northern Delights to get the ice cream of Olaf.
Wow.
Let's go!
We got back to the world of Frozen since we wanted to try the famous Olaf soft serve.
Wow.
There are plenty of snack and pastry options available. Price ranges from 58 Hong Kong dollars to
Wow.
90 Hong Kong dollars.
Ano yung order namin? Soft serve ang berry. Ang sarap. Ang sarap na to.
Sarap kasi 68 daw yun. Hindi pwede maging maarte.
Ito, kinain ko na yung ulo ni Olaf. Ang sarap ng ulo ni Olaf.
Malakas na naman talaga ng ulo.
Ulo ni... Why? Dahil nagutom na mga akla, kakain muna kami dito sa may banquet hall.
Wow.
Ayan, dyan kayo kakain. Laro na naman kayo ng yaman-yamanan. So, bago makakain, matutuyot muna, Mi, no? Tuyot muna. Oh, tina mo, Mi. Haba ng pila.
Get our meal vouchers at trip.com. It's easy, simple, and affordable for only 1,000 to 142 pesos. You can get a 150 Hong Kong dollars worth of meals and a free Mickey ice cream or popcorn.
Wow.
They ordered from their Japan menu a ramen because of the Mickey Mouse shaped egg yolk, and for
Wow.
Bebby from their international menu. Serving is also big, good for sharing.
Wow.
Meanwhile,
Kain na ang nangmamaldit sa mga chararat. Chararat na mga ugali ng mga tao dito. Itadakimasu. Team Japan nga kasi. Itadakimasu. Pero yun, masarap naman yung sabaw. Pero yung pinaka-noodles, hindi ko bet. Hindi ko bet. Maga.
A few inches later.
Right, dito naman kami ngayon sa may Toy Story Land.
Wow.
Anong kanta natin din? Storyland. Woody.
Wow.
And this toy box. Let's go inside.
Wow.
This store has variety of good stuff from Toy Story themed souvenirs to the new Inside Out movie.
Pasok dito, kala mong papabudol eh. Bibili ka?
No.
Ay, napaisip. Ayan na ang baby, kakaskas na naman siya. Ayun na nga, nakapagpabudol na ng bading. So, nakuwento na po kami ngayon sa Quezon Memorial Circle. Uy, dinala naman dito sa... Ayan, so papunta kami ngayon sa may Adventureland.
Wow.
Dun sa may Jungle River Cruise.
Wow.
So let's go. Medyo nakakahulas yung init dito. Pero mas okay na yung kaysa muulan. Correct. So na kami ngayon sa cruise. Nakapila.
Wow.
Napakahaba ng pila. Ayun na. Ano, Mi? Hello, sis.
Oh, bye-bye lang, bye-bye. Tumalaw sa Mego, bye-bye. Hindi ko malu na, bye-bye, bye-bye. Take a shower. Wow. 泡在洗澡啊，女士们不想那么多皱纹的话，就不要下太医。Has anyone seen another spider? Do you see? In here. Oh, sorry. Just kidding. Let's see. But I have a question to ask you all. If anyone knows what's the difference between male zebra and female zebra? Oh no! Does anyone know?
The stripes.
Yes, so close. The male zebra is black with white stripes.
Wow.
And the female zebra is the white with the black stripes. Okay?
Wow.
Period, queen! It's a smart for me. 佢哋因為上次啊坐船將嗰架船啊冇錯好跌咗落水度就變咗咁樣啦。冇錯，因為嗰個撚石。好啦，冇事啦，拜拜。
Bye!
Bakit mo sinabi? Sabi?
Yun, sabi niya,
Oh.
yung kapitbahay daw nila nabuntis.
Ganun pala.
Walang tatay. Kaya
Naku.
very
Get our freebies from our food voucher for this afternoon. We have our Mickey ice creams and popcorn.
Wow.
By this afternoon, we are now enjoying our few moments before the momentous. We have met few Disney princess like Elsa and Anna of Frozen and Snow White.
Wow.
Queuing in some of the rides are not that long by this time,
Wow.
since people are now securing their seats for the momentous. Rides like Big Grizzly Mountain Runaway Mine Cars is the best. Chill ride, but will make you dizzy. Try Orbitron in Tomorrowland. Craving for some 3D? Then try the Ant-Man and Iron Man ride. And for our last ride before the momentous is the Hyperspace Mountain, where an interactive animation and roller coaster combine.
Wow.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Waiting for the momentous.
Wow.
Hey.
As soon as time begins, the magic's never ending, filled with innocence and memories worth remembering.
And through the trials we face, the races that we're running, we always keep the faith in who we are becoming.
Every day's a different page of story to unfold. Remember young and old. Time's always moving, we can't slow the hand.
Won't last forever, but we won't forget.
Falling in love, our very first dance.
Just live the moment and love the memory.
Times that we climb and the times we descend.
Times that we build and the times that we bend.
Time is the treasure we all get to spend.
Just live the moment and love the memory.
Love the memory. Keep them alive in our hearts so they live on and on. Time's always moving, we can't slow the hands.
Won't last forever, but we won't forget.
Love the memory.
Wow. Wow.
Pani sa bridge.
Wow.
Ayun mo, almost yung bridge oh.
Galing naman nun.
Paano nila ginawa?
Bullberry London. Bullberry. Ang baho niyan.
Delayed tayo.
Delayed. Kasi sa Manila is umuulan. So, bulaga na lang talaga.
Parang mga bobo.
Pag-aalan, dami kong kinain.
Esther! Esther!